Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome if you are new. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into this video. So today I will be using this House of Florist kit from MAKARTT. I will be unboxing this on camera for you guys, and this is what the polygels look like inside the box. I really like MAKARTT's packaging. I feel like it's aesthetically pleasing, and what comes in the box is these cards. It comes with a thank you card and a little pamphlet on how to use these. It comes with some dual forms as usual, but I won't be using these. It comes with a 180 grit hand file, and then it also comes with the brush and spatula as always in the kits, and then it comes with the base and top coat. I really love the bottles, the black and white matte look to these, and these are what the polygels look like. And so far I feel like these colors are super pretty, but I'm just going to swatch these colors for you guys. And this is what all of the colors look like side by side. I really love the pastels. I love this whole kit, but this is what it looks like uncured. Then I'm going to cure for 30 seconds. And I didn't know which colors to use because all of the colors were super pretty. I just didn't know what I want to do, but I did want to do like another Valentine set before Valentine's Day ends. So I just ended up going with the pink and white colors, and I will make sure that I link this kit down below. But I'm just starting off by putting some base coat onto my nails, and these tips have the little plastic little things sticking out, so I'm just gonna file that away over all the nails. And so once I had all of these filed away, I just started with the pinky. I have all of the decorations that I was going to be using in the background. As you can see, I was going to put some of those inside the nail first, but since this pinky nail is so small, it's kind of hard to like get them to lay flat since this is a curved nail. So I'm just going to be doing a red to pink ombre. So I just put a bead of red polygel near the cuticle and just brushing that down, making sure that it fills the whole nail. And then once I got that blended down enough, I added the pink and just filling in the rest of the nail. And also, I just want to say, if you haven't entered my giveaway yet, if you're new and you're just not hearing about it, please make sure that you enter my giveaway. I will link that video with all the details down below. And once I finish putting in the polygel and the nail tip, I'm just going to place it onto my nail. And if I need to clean up any areas, I'm just going to take my polygel brush, dip in some 7% rubbing alcohol, cleaning it up before I cure it in the light, and then moving on to the next nail. So for my next nail, I'm just starting off with some base coat into the nail. I'm going to be adding some of the little hearts into the nails. I wanted a layered look, like the look you get with acrylic sometimes. I wanted that look, but unfortunately this nail didn't cooperate with me as good as I wanted it to, because the little hearts kept sticking to my brush, and like I just couldn't get these to lay down. So at some points I had to like cure to get those to stay in place, and then added some more base coat or like rhinestone gel, and just go in and fill in with some more hearts until I got the coverage that I wanted. And so once I was finished struggling with this nail, this is what it looks like from the inside. And then I'm just going in with some more base coat, adding a layer and curing for 30 seconds. And then I'm going in with this pink polygel and just ombreing it down so that it fades into the hearts. And I didn't think to flip the nail around so I could see, but when I took the nail off the stand, it wasn't how I thought it was going to be. But I didn't want to do this over because I was having so many problems with it. I was just like, these are coming off anyway. So, and I know that's not really a good mindset to have while doing your nails, and I wasn't even going to post this video, but I did anyways, because I just want you guys to know that while doing your nails, if you're starting off as a beginner, each nail set will not come out perfect, and like sometimes they may not even come out how you plan. But you just need to like keep pushing yourself and keep going, and that's exactly what I did. Come to find out, these nails, they weren't too bad. But yeah, so with this nail, I'm just putting in some little hearts in the nails, and then I'm going to cure for 30 seconds, and then I'm just going to fill this whole nail with some pink polygel. And then moving on to my next nail, I'm going to do my index finger just a solid red color because I will be adding some gems and rhinestones. So I'm just going to do this a solid red color. And then I'm going to do my thumb a red to pink ombre just like my pinky finger. And I'm just going to let you guys enjoy this process. And if I need to come back on, I will do so. So once that was cured, I'm just taking the hand file and just reshaping the nail and getting near the cuticle and the free edge and the sides just in case any polygel have spilled. And then once I finish filing, these are what the nails are looking like. So I'm going to put some heart gems and some rhinestones on this nail. So I'm starting off by painting some top coat onto the nail. And I was going to add 2 of these little heart rhinestones. I will link where I got these from down below just in case you're interested. I was going to do 2 of these, but since I was having such problems with these, like since the rhinestones were so big, it just kept like sliding all over the place. So I had to go in with some rhinestone glue and like just kind of work with it, kind of flash cures so that it stays in place. And once I got it where I wanted, I just went in with some smaller rhinestones and placed them near the cuticle. And then I'm also going to place some rhinestones on the cuticle of my thumb and pinky finger. I won't show that, but you will see it in the next clip. And this is how the index nail turned out. I love this heart gem. It is so pretty. And so once I got all of that cured, I'm just adding some top coat to all of the nails. And then these are how the nails turn out. They didn't really turn out how I thought they would, but they didn't turn out bad either. And I really accomplished my goal because you can obviously tell that these are Valentine's Day nails. So I feel like that was a plus. And as always, if you have made it this far, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video.